this far. And yeah, let me just try to take you back to how we started this course. This course is really something that I feel will change somebody's life forever. And please don't hesitate to contact me if you feel this course has been valuable or is valuable or it will help you. Feel free to contact me. I will always be there willing to help you. So this course initially was designed as part of the understanding algorithm and computational problem in an object-oriented way with Java programming language. So it is extracted actually from my academic paper, which I wrote about the conceptual and contextual model for understanding algorithms to solve computational problems in the software engineering industry. I came up with this model after discovering the problems that are being faced in the software industries over the last 10 years. I did the research to find out more about the failures of the software products out there. And I found that software products are really failing exponentially and polynomially. And over the last 10 years, the rate of failures of software have been increasing constantly. And according to my research, the increase is predicted to increase. I use some machine learning algorithm actually to do the prediction. So I predicted that the increase will continue for the next 10 years to come. So for this reason, I am still preparing myself to do yet another research in the next 10 years to see whether the proof from my machine learning algorithm is true. I just want to see, because I have predicted that the rate of increase in the software failure will continue will continue constantly if nothing has been done to stop it. That's why I came up with this course, just to try to train people there to follow the good practice and principles of software engineering so that we can be able to avoid such a problem like these ones, which are failing software in different industries. Please feel free to go and join my course on software engineering course, which is going to be after this module. And that course is going to be very interesting because we are going to start doing software engineering from the scratch. And also, I am going to do software architecture, from the scratch, how to architect software from the scratch. And we will be tackling a lot of topics in that. I will also do something concerning intensive data system, how intensive data systems are now becoming the order of the day for cloud computing. So please, I hope you will follow me on Udemy, on the YouTube. Even I'm going to be there on GitHub. So please feel free to text me, to send me any messages, or to even visit one of my offices one of these days. Why not? I need to be challenged. So feel free to come and challenge me with any question regarding software system or computer system. I will be there to handle any questions from you. So thank you for viewing. I hope this video has been informative. And I would like to also inform you that I have two other courses. One is about the difference between computer science and information technology. And then the other one is all about the research I did. You will see all that I did in that research, the outcome of the research, and the analysis that I came up with, so that you know why I am emphasizing on this course and why I came up with this model, because that research was actually the motivator behind my interest in teaching, because we need to get rid of this problem. I know we cannot solve all problems in software engineering because, you cannot have a silver bullet, as that guy said. We cannot have a silver bullet for solving software problems. That means we cannot have one solution for all the problems in software industry, in the software industry, or to solve a software problem. But we can try to follow good principle and practice to avoid such problems from occurring. So, I have a lot to say, but let me stop here. I am happy